Guys, Bitcoin just broke out on the smaller time frames, and this is resulting in me making my most bullish Bitcoin video this year so far, and you are watching it right now because today I will show you what price levels Bitcoin has to hold and especially break to the upside in the near future that a price target of $58,000 could get very realistic for the Bitcoin in a very short amount of time. So make sure to stick around till the very end of this video because I also still have a $1 million Bitcoin long trade open right now that I would definitely scale up if we break those very important resistance levels I'm going to show you today, and I'm going to also let you know when I'm going to scale down this trade and when I'm expect this pump actually to be over and failed. So like I said, stick around to the very end of this video, and guys, I cannot stress this enough. Please make sure to leave a like on this video to push the YouTube algorithm. You guys are amazing. The community support I'm getting from my viewers is absolutely insane. Again, my last video almost reached 4,000 likes. Let's reach 4,000 likes on this video. Please leave a comment down below, subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And for sure, also share the video with your friends. This supports me the most. And one very important thing, guys, today in only a couple of hours my 2022 Bitcoin price prediction goes live on YouTube. So if you don't want to miss out on this, look in the video description. At the very top you will find my 2022 Bitcoin price prediction, this link here. Click on it. It will go online today at 6 p.m. German time in 6 hours. You can also see as soon as you click on the link, you can see in how many hours this video goes online. Just set a reminder, guys. I can already tell you, you don't want to miss out on my massive 2022 Bitcoin price prediction. I can already promise you that. So make sure to watch this video as soon as it comes online. Like I said, link in the top of the description. But now, let's not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the charts. So what we have seen now happening live in my video is actually very interesting because yesterday I prepared all of this bullish analysis, and as you guys remember, I also mentioned in my yesterday's video that there is a little bit more upside for Bitcoin definitely possible if we don't break the $43,800 level. And this video may have to be turned into a bearish video if we now confirm a breakout below the $43,800 level, because as you guys see, Bitcoin just broke below it live. But let's not talk too much. Let's talk about this price prediction now very quickly. So as you guys can already see, after I predicted that the Bitcoin price would continue to go to the upside because we hold the $43,800 level, Bitcoin exactly did that. Bitcoin started to push the price back above the very important 43,000, at this time it was the $44,500 level, and we even almost retested the $45,200 level, and you know this is immense resistance on the daily time frame. And for now we really have to say, okay, this is not looking good, guys. Bitcoin is getting rejected at our daily EMA ribbons. We are getting rejected at the $45,200 level. As I mentioned to you guys yesterday, I told you guys in yesterday's video that I imagine that Bitcoin will pump up to the $45,200 level, and that there the first big resistance will come in. And this is exactly what is happening right now. So make sure, guys, that if we get rejected here on the daily time frame and we're closing a daily candle below this $45,200 level, that there's definitely a big chance that we are correcting down more, and I will definitely scale down my long positions a little bit. I will scale them down to a 3x leverage again, so my liquidation price is below the $36,000, the maximum level that we are imagining the Bitcoin price to drop to. Let's now talk about my bullish scenario, guys, and the bullish scenario is very simple. Let's just imagine Bitcoin now manages to bounce, for example, here on the 1 hourly time frame. You can already see if Bitcoin now manages to close this hourly candle above. In the last couple of times, we perfectly bounced off of this support and continued our up run. And for sure, it would be beautiful if we would have confirmed this breakout here and did break below this important support level again, because then Bitcoin could have started its bump and run reversal. Yeah, as you guys can see, this would actually be a bump and run reversal here, a perfect one. And this can still happen. It's actually very common that Bitcoin gets rejected a couple of times before managing the breakout out of this bump and run reversal, because in the past we had a very strict downward sloping resistance line that is still getting respected by the bulls and the bears. So for now, guys, Bitcoin has to break above this downward sloping resistance line on the 1 hourly time frame. The good thing is that we still have a price target of around, let me tell you exactly, $45,700 in the play for Bitcoin at this exact moment. This comes from our inverse head and shoulders pattern that broke to the upside. This is the price target for that one. The only thing we have to keep in mind, guys, that if Bitcoin now closes an hourly candle below the $43,600 level, if we close an hourly candle below, the chances get very big that Bitcoin sees another drop down to $41,000. And like I said, if we close now a daily candle, an hourly candle below the $43,600 level, depending on how much volume there's coming into the markets, I will probably scale down my Bitcoin long position a little bit. But like I said, this hasn't happened so far. We are already getting bought up a little bit, and we still have 74 minutes in this hourly candle left. And the most important for sure are the 4 hourly time frame predictions anyways. But let's take a look. In the best case scenario, and like I said, guys, this is really just my best case scenario prediction. I don't think that the possibilities of this happening are above 50%, for example. I think the chances of this playing out this bullish are very small. I just still wanted to show you guys what's theoretically possible and how you could scale up your trades if we see this. So let's imagine Bitcoin breaks out here on the 1 hourly time frame, retests this and confirms this breakout. Then our next breakout target would be all the way up at $48,700, which would actually be, who would have guessed it, this would be the weekly time frame 8-year support and resistance line, guys. This would be all the way up here at $48,700. So we would actually have a price target predicting a retest of this weekly 8-year support and resistance channel. If we go then to the 4 hourly time frames, we can already see what this would result in. The first breakout now from our symmetrical triangle and our bump and run reversal, that would be here at the $48,700 level. That would result us on the 4 hourly time frame to break out of our massive falling wedge, guys. This would result us breaking out of our massive falling wedge to the upside, and this for sure then would not only have a price target of $48,000, because then we also broke out of our 4 hourly falling wedge, and this would then have a price target of approximately here, the $52,000 level. This would be the price target for this falling wedge. And then we have one final big price level, and this is actually the breakout target of this massive possible W scenario that Bitcoin could play out here. And this would actually have a breakout target of, I just showed you guys, of exactly $57,000, $58,000. So this is actually how, in the best case, Bitcoin could reach those massive price levels, because it's just in a kind of way a chain reaction. Bitcoin would broke above here, we have a new bullish price target, or we still have a bullish price target from this head and shoulders pattern. Boom. Then we have another bullish price target that we could reach because of the 4 hourly time frame. Then we have another bullish breakout target that we could reach again because of the 4 hourly time frame, and so on till the very end, where we reach our maximum price target of $58,000. The only important thing right now is, I mean, you're already seeing the Bitcoin price is dumping below the $43,800 level. We are getting rejected off this level here right now. We are seeing a massive sell-off, which is very nice actually, because we can then just take a look on the 4 hourly time frames, and we would need to hold the $43,000 level now to pretty much keep a very bullish market sentiment going. Like I said, this is pretty much my most bullish Bitcoin price prediction. I think there's less of a 50% chance of this happening, especially now that we got rejected live in our video, guys. I wanted to make a video when we just broke out here, wanted to tell you guys this is the most bullish scenario, that if we have a successful retest. Now the retest already clearly failed. We broke below this, and now, I mean, we have to expect the Bitcoin price actually having the possibility of going back down to the $41,000 level. Yeah, bouncing here off the hourly support, maybe forming a smaller W pattern as well. forming a smaller W pattern as well before breaking to the upside. The same for sure for the 4-hourly time frame, but on the 4-hourly time frame, the support actually comes in now a lot earlier. Now we should already be hitting support on the 4-hourly time frame here at the $43,000 level. So let's hope that Bitcoin can actually hold this support, because if we're breaking back below here, closing a 4-hourly candle below the $43,000 level, I think we can already say that this most bullish scenario won't play out. I mean, either way, guys, you definitely have a very, very nice video here on my channel coming up today, my 2022 Bitcoin price prediction. Like I said, make sure to watch this. This will be online in a not all too long amount of time, and I can already tell you, if you watch this video, you will be prepared for every single price move. And for now, guys, I will definitely upload this video now as soon as possible, that you guys don't get wrecked in the worst case that we break the $43,000 level with a 4-hourly candle. Guys, I can already tell you, I will start closing down my long positions. I will scale them down by a lot and just keep them running with a 3x leverage, because the potential then increases dramatically that we drop down to $38,000, $37,000 once again. So let's just stay careful. So far we are bouncing, but like I said, on the 1-hourly time frame, we first of all have to break here the $44,400 level now, with a confirmation to start this bump and run reversal, and also to start all the other bullish predictions I just made in my today's video. Because like I said, this is my most bullish Bitcoin video I have uploaded so far to my YouTube channel, and I want to make sure, guys, that you understand that this is just one side of the story. As I said, breaking the $43,000 level to the downside with the 4-hourly candle close could already mean the end of this very bullish price prediction. But still, let's keep an eye on the charts. Bitcoin sometimes is able to form those sort of price predictions or chain reactions, and we still have a lot of room to the upside for the Bitcoin price if we are just looking at breakout targets. If we're not taking a look at volume, RSI or the EMA ribbons, if we're just looking at chart patterns, we actually had breakouts now like the head and shoulders pattern that still would predict higher prices for the Bitcoin price in this exact moment. So let's just stay very, very careful. Let's just keep an eye on the Bitcoin price every minute or as often as possible, so we know when we break the $43,000 level, we can go out of the market, we can close our positions. And also, if we are managing to break above this very important downward sloping resistance on the 1-hourly time frame and confirm it even during this day, guys, I can already tell you it's looking very good for Bitcoin, and it could result in a chain reaction blowing the Bitcoin price up to the $58,000 level. But now enough from the Bitcoin price, guys. I also wanted to let you guys know I increased my stake once again in Drop's ownership protocol. As you guys know, I'm invested in this more or less high risk altcoin, and this altcoin actually, even though Bitcoin definitely corrected since I invested in this altcoin, still performed very well. As you guys can see, Drops is on the way to reach new all-time highs. It only has a $3.4 million market cap. So keep in mind, guys, this is a risky altcoin investment, but I'm personally pretty sure that we could actually reach new all-time highs for this Drops ownership protocol, especially if Bitcoin now stays bullish. Like I said, just keep an eye on the $43,000 level. I think this will be a big decider if we are going to having a chance of making this very bullish price prediction come true, or if we're failing and breaking below it. This will be very clear during today, and I will update you in tomorrow's video. But like I said, guys, go now into the video description down below, my 2022 Bitcoin price prediction. Click on the link, open it up, set a reminder, watch it. Like I said, it comes online at 6 p.m. German time. If you click on the link and the premiere, like I said, you will already see maybe the videos already online depending on when you watch this video. But like I said, set you guys a reminder, don't miss this video, guys. My 2022 Bitcoin price prediction at 6 p.m. today German time. See you there. Bye.